morning. Sunday morning. It's raining. Thank you, God. It's raining. But it's no power. 6:30 a.m. I will need to do my live stream soon. No power. I could eventually just do it with my phone. I'm not sure if the workers are coming today. It's been really bad, this bathroom. Problems. Taking too long to have the people come one day a week. It's endless. I hope they show up, but no power. So if you want to move the toilet, I don't know how we're gonna do. Because I should use the angle grinder with a special disc. Anyway, okay, we just finished our live stream. Lucky, we have plenty power on the laptop, plenty power on the phone, and that's all we need. So we never have to worry about run out for live stream. Now my beautiful wife's gonna prepare breakfast, and then we're gonna head for the mountain. Okay, on the way to the mountain farmhouse. Let's go. It's run out here all day, but not up there. Okay, first stop, we're gonna buy some fish and stuff. We'd like to do some seafood today. Oh, Mike is a strong boy. He's struggling. Lily had a fight with Blackie. But Blackie started and Lily gave her hips. Yeah, see? Okay, we arrive. The sister's so strong. Wow. I'm impressed. That's it. Bella's so happy she's got Mikey next to her now. Mikey happy too, huh? Yeah?
Yes.
Papa have your new house now. is fixing. It's redoing the floor.
Very busy. Because I repair.
I broke it. I'm too heavy. That's good. Oh, new timber, everything. Very good. Well, Mommy, I think we're gonna have dinner here. No lunch. Dinner.
Yeah.
We made it. I didn't need that, but we're doing the kitchen, as you can see. So what are they cooking? Love chocolate. You too, my love? Yeah. I took the liberty to bring the power station here and charge here because there's gonna be no power where we are for the whole day, light. So by the time we get home, we got no internet, nothing. So we thought we bring here and charge here. Okay, this little lady is, sorry, it's a lady. Okay, this is one of our 2 ducks we got here. You're gonna be delicious. Maybe next year, I'm not sure. We'll see. Lily boys will stay here. Yeah, for whatever reason, they're smaller. Look at Lily, she got hurt with a fight. Apparently they always fight, 2 female. Then we're getting ready for lunch. Uh-oh. You have to do a bit of a Cirque du Soleil. You're working there for now, but this is good. Is that the hammer he's got? Oh no. I need to buy him a new one. That's terrible. Everybody doing something. Wow. No, okay, I'm not gonna walk there because I think most of the damage was done by me. I'm 90 kilo. I think LTO should move all the furniture around. You're gonna fall. Mama's making beautiful pencils, especially for me, is it? I think next time I bring you hammer, Papa. Next time I bring you a good hammer, okay? I don't know, looks like this. That's not a hammer. Right, we are at about almost 1 p.m. and I'm fully asleep. I'm gonna put down coffee. I need. It tastes nice, those coffee, those already made up coffee, but too sugary.
Di ba sila daan sala? Di ba sila daan sala ng mairing? Bos, gapon lang ko sila.
Then I give a fish to the cat.
Pagkaon, yan man ay pang...
Finished?
Kabig dong.
Okay, go and play.
Ano yan?
No, no, you eat here. It's okay. Eat here. Oh, yummy.
Lagi niyo yung butang ni Sarip. Doon na pa ng buntag.
Cream time for the young one. And for the old one too.
Ang bahay hindi daghan yung mga sakop. Daghan yung mga sakop. Kaon siya ako. Okay, wala naman ali na giwas ang mga pangaro. Lain kayo na yan lutan. Babayi na.
Not sure there was a fire there, but it's all cleaned up. And you biting my leg, huh? Hello, nice to see you again. Hello, Mama. Look at the little one running there. So cute. Ole, Toro, Toro, ole. That's our ducks. They're funny. Hello, Miss. Miss Garcia. No dad here. Let's go and have a look how the kitchen going. Wow, that's a nice floor. No, not me. I'm not allowing, I've been told. I'm 90 kilograms, so I'm not allowed. Very good, nice. Mama's happy. That's good. I like it. That's how bedrooms are. Bella never stopped. My God. She got so much energy. Nearly time to go. Yeah, it hasn't rained for a long while in the mountain farm, but they still managed to get a lot of water from the creek and the stream. So they got no problem, which is good. Time to go home. Yeah, it hasn't ran. Making shoes. Okay, we're leaving. That was good. Why are you hiding? And say moo all of a sudden, eh? You scared Bella. You're probably younger than her. Alright, let's go home. Ole, toro, torero, ole. Oh, she wants to come with us. Bye-bye. Same to you.
Ayaw, lakaw ha kayo. Ikaw. Hindi na pala ng baka.
Lily. Lily. Oh, Bella, run so fast.
Retire in paradise. Welcome to Jonas Skies. Nice full beaches and joy rides from a beautiful sunrise. No matter where you're from, welcome to this kingdom where kindness never planned is here for everyone.
Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye.